Governor of the South African Reserve Bank, Mr. Leseja Kganyago, Minister of Finance, Mr. Enoch Godongwana, representatives of South Africa's state-owned enterprises, representatives of the business and investor community, and guests, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to open this year's SA Tomorrow Investor Conference. This has been showcasing South Africa to international investors since 2014. Just as the pandemic has fundamentally changed the business landscape, so too has the format of our engagements evolved. This year's in-person South Africa Investment Promotion event will take place in New York in October. This is a welcome sign of the steady global recovery. As South Africa, we are encouraged at the pace of our economic recovery. At the 4th South Africa Investment Conference earlier this year, companies committed a total of 333 billion rand in new investment. This is the equivalent of just over 20 billion US dollars, bringing us within the reach of our target of securing 1.2 trillion rand in new investment over 5 years. These investments are supporting our economic growth. The South African economy grew by 1.9% for the first quarter of 2022. The economy has returned to pre-pandemic levels sooner than many analysts had expected. The recovery is also evident in our trade figures. Last year, we posted our largest trade surplus on record. Although these figures are encouraging, we need much higher levels of investment to reach our aspiration of fixed capital formation of 30% of GDP. In pursuit of this target, we are driving a range of structural reforms to improve the business environment. We've made significant progress already in auctioning high-demand broadband spectrum, improving port efficiency, opening some freight lines to private rail operators, improving our visa regime, and reforming state-owned enterprises. We've set up a new red tape reduction team in the presidency that will help clear bureaucratic and other administrative hurdles for businesses and investors. The most far-reaching reforms are in the energy sector. By raising the self-generation licensing threshold to 100 megawatts, we have enabled a surge of private investment in new generating capacity. We are expanding our successful renewable energy program and helping municipalities to procure power from independent power producers. We are also taking bold steps to decarbonize our economy. The Just Energy Transition Partnership that was announced at COP26 in Glasgow promises to be a game changer for our country. We are working with our international partners on the details of the funding and the projects it will support. We are prioritizing the green and circular economies as we work to create a reliable, stable, and low-carbon electricity grid, and also to develop technologies to supply the world's low-carbon future. As the world's largest platinum producer, we are positioning ourselves to be at the forefront of green hydrogen development. The South African economy is expansive, remarkably diverse, and resilient. Immense investment opportunities exist in both traditional and emerging industries. While we have many challenges, our recovery is gaining momentum. There is reason for optimism about South Africa's economy and its future prospects. I wish you all well in your deliberations and engagements over the coming days. We call on all investors to come to South Africa to take advantage of the many opportunities on offer and also to be part of a growing dynamic economy. I thank you.